Commissioning the Heartbit Smart T-shirt. The Heartbit T-shirt has the following parts: comfortable elastic T-shirt fabric, 4 electrodes inside the T-shirt, 1 platform for attaching the device to a T-shirt, electrodes and sizing. In order to accurately measure health data, the T-shirt needs to be prepared before use. Apply Heartbit ECG gel to each of the electrodes in fingertip-sized amount, making sure they are all evenly coated. The extent of our skin resistance and body hair is different, so please do not miss this step for maximum accuracy for your health. Please make sure that the T-shirt is the right size. The goal is for the electrodes to adhere seamlessly to the surface of your body. A T-shirt is the right size if it is compressed but not uncomfortably tight. Note that the product performs real-time stress ECG monitoring. Accuracy for medical diagnostics can only be guaranteed if the electrodes fit properly. Feedback. The application checks the adhesion of the electrodes when the activity is started. If it measures incorrect contact, the following sign is displayed. In this case, please check the gel application and the size of the T-shirt again. Know your heart. Know your health.